Welcome back to IC Trading Concept. How are you all? I hope everyone is cool after the learning session. Here is the risk disclaimer. Every entry I'm gonna push. My responsibility, I'm gonna take my loss, I'm gonna take my win. I won't be responsible for your entry. So it will be your responsible. You just can't come to me and you can't tell me or blame me for your loss or win. Okay. So here is my clearance and I'm not gonna repeat this thing. So I will keep pushing my button and whatever will happen, I will be only responsible for my trade, not your entry. Okay. But yeah, thanks for joining the live streaming. I believe that you guys will just take the price action from here. You can hear me, please let me know that. If you can't hear me, also let me know that. If there is any problem, let me know that. Robin Hood, I love that pink hand. Good evening, Fazlul. How are you, brother? Hey, Robin. But for going further, this just quick mic testing, everything testing. Can you hear me? Can you see me? Just let me clear. Let me know that. I'm gonna start from 4474. Let's see where we can stop today. If we can reach to 4500, I'll be happy. So 24 more people. That's cool. Rahul, hey brother, can you hear me, guys? You have to write it down that you can hear me or not, okay? Because if you can't hear me, then I have to fix the settings or something if there is anything wrong. Can you hear me? You should have hear me. Please do this hard work for me. Just let me know if you can hear me. Yes, loud and clear, brother. Okay, thank you, Shahid. So if you can hear me, that means everyone else can hear me as well. So in the morning session, I mean in the London session, I told that market is going to take that buy side liquidity. Then this buy side liquidity, and I told this last parallel gap market has to reach over there. Okay, that was my expectation for the morning session. And over here you can see this relatively equal lows. I wanted to see that to keep it uncleared. It is like that way. It is uncleared over here. I'm really happy to see that. All I want to see right now, what do I want to see? This is the 15-minute chart. Okay, before coming here, I would love to come here to dollar index. So this is dollar index hourly chart. Let me make it bigger. Dollar index hourly chart. Okay, you can see there is some relatively equal highs here. That is my buy side liquidity and the buy side liquidity over here. So yeah, I would love to see market will go higher and it will take that buy side liquidity. Finally, it will go toward that buy side liquidity. That's my expectation right now. Yes, hear you. Thank you, Nicolo Bruno, Peter Henry. Yep, loud and clear. Thank you, brother. Raul, like. Thanks, man, for giving me the like. I love that likes. Please, guys, don't forget to give me the like. Okay. Thank you, Trader Futures, for giving me that like. Okay? Good evening, Jen and Fazlul Kobir. All okay? Thank you, brother. I would love to come here in daily chart first. If you remember to my weekly analysis, I told that this last parabolic gap should hold the price. Now, this parabolic gap failed to hold the price. Market is going higher. That's why I'm now expecting market will keep going higher until that this high, that high, those will be cleared. And finally, if market can reach above that one, we will see that. But right now, I'm expecting some more bull run. Okay, that's my expectation for dollar index from the daily chart. Let's go to hourly chart. So from hourly chart, you can see this buy side liquidity is too clean, this high and that high, that the shallow run. So this is the obvious liquidity. I'm expecting that market will go and clear that obvious liquidity. At the same time, it will break that last parabolic gap from the hourly chart. There was another last parabolic gap. Market came here, went lower, gave the reaction. Then finally, it has broken that last parabolic gap from hourly chart. I'm talking about this hourly last parabolic gap. When it has been broken, I'm gonna mark this last parabolic gap, which has already I have got the reaction, but I'll be very careful when it will tap to the low. When it will tap to the low, I'll be very clear, because from the hourly chart it can make a fast fair value gap setup over here. Okay, it can make that, so I'll be very careful of that. If this is broken, man, that's the awesome thing. That's the awesome thing until that buy side liquidity. So yeah, right now I'm thinking that market will go higher today. Okay, this is all about dollar index. When market is going higher for dollar index, all other markets should go lower. So I'm coming here. Sorry, not there. Yeah. So this is NASDAQ. Sorry, yeah, NASDAQ. This is the 15-minute chart. You see this low, that low, that low. This is all relatively equal lows. Just forget for sometimes that new week opening gap. Just forget that for sometimes. Okay. This is that relatively equal lows. So that's my target for FOMC. I'm expecting market will go toward that sell side liquidity today by using the FOMC. Now market is going to take that on or not, I really don't know. I have no idea. But it will go toward that sell side liquidity. So I will try to catch the run, maybe little meat inside that bone. Here, as I explained, I'm gonna tell that one more time. This was the random reaction from here. Market went higher. This is a random area. Market has to reach to that hourly fair value gap. So this is the hourly fair value gap. I would love to see market will reach here that hourly fair value gap. But why I'm expecting that? You can see every single time market actually retrace or reverse from a specific area. See where market reach until that last fair value gap from that 15-minute chart. Then it is falling. It is giving the reaction or reversal, whatever it's going to give me. I'm really happy to take that. When price was here, it reached until that last fair value gap from 15-minute chart. Then it went lower. The reaction from the last fair value gap. Where did it reach? This last fair value gap. See this last fair value gap from 15-minute chart here. It came to this last fair value gap, went higher. So this reversal or the reaction can't be happen from a random area. What do I mean by random area? If there is no fair value gap from 15-minute chart or hourly chart, then I will see that area as a random area. Now, daily chart is really so important. I mean daily levels, but you are going to execute your trade from 1 minute chart. So you just can't take your daily chart as your higher time frame. You can't do that. You need that daily chart, daily analysis for your narrative, for your direction. But you can't frame your trade from your daily chart. That means I just can't believe the daily levels as my reaction. What do I mean by that? If you come here to the daily chart, okay, here is the daily fair value gap. Let me mark the daily fair value gap. Here is that daily fair value gap. Now see how many handle is there. So from here to here, near about 117 handle. In this big area, if you really want to use that fair value gap as your direction, you can't frame your trade. Look over here. When market came here inside this daily fair value gap, maybe you will pass one day, maybe one session, everything you will miss. Everything you will miss if you just believe, I mean, depend on that daily fair value gap. That's why I don't believe, I don't use that daily fair value gap as my level. I go for 15-minute chart, maximum hourly chart. If that is really so messy, then I go for hour chart. Very rare. Otherwise, I really love to stay maximum of my time in 15-minute chart. So every level I mark from 15-minute chart. If market retrace or react from that level, I call them very nice and perfect reaction or the reversal. If I see something like that, I don't believe that. Now, I'm not telling this to prove my point, but look, this is the Monday price action. Do you really see this type of price action around in Monday? No, I don't see that. It's very rare. Monday expansion is very rare. I will blame this random reaction to create this unfair price action. This random reaction is actually the unfair price action. So only this price action is unfair. After this price action, just go and see every swing high, every swing low reacted from a specific level. This is the last fair value gap from 15-minute chart. Market came here, went lower. Where did it, where did it complete his run? To that new weak opening gap. At the same time, if you come here, to that area and mark this last fair value gap. So from here until that candle low, I'm talking about here. That candle high, that candle low. That is your fair value gap, which is actually still that is valid, that last fair value gap, as I have the new weak opening gap, which is actually the strongest fair value gap. It is stronger than the last fair value gap. I don't need the last fair value gap or entry fair value gap from 15 minutes chart. Still I have that, but I don't want to use them because I have already the new weak opening gap. It came to that fair value gap, went lower, to that fair value gap, went higher. Is that reaction from a random area? This fair value gap. It stopped the price, went lower, went higher. Where did it go? Last fair value gap from 15-minute chart. It is reacting right now. It will complete its run. I'm believing that this is the reaction. Actually, market will keep little go higher and it will reach until that fair value gap. That's my expectation, because it needs to make that unfair business fair now. That means it reversed from a random area. It should correct that thing. That's my expectation. Okay, I'm not sure 100%, but it should do that today. This is the first part. That's why I'm bullish. Another thing is, just come to your, open your chart. First, look for the liquidity. Where is your liquidity? Let me remove this line and that line. Where exactly do you have the liquidity? I have this extreme sell side liquidity, this clean sell side liquidity, and this low. Actually, I don't need this clean sell side liquidity. I have this extreme sell side liquidity. Do I have any buy side liquidity? I don't have any buy side liquidity. That means market doesn't need to go higher. Now think about today. What do we have today? I will read your what to say, your comments, but little bit after. Okay, first let me finish this thing first. Okay, what is today? Today is FOMC. Before FOMC, if you ever take an entry, that's kind of suicide. You should not take entry, because market has so many things in its mind. It has to make liquidity for FOMC. It has to take the liquidity for keeping alive. Okay, for going here and there, it needs to take the liquidity. So in this type of situation, when market has to take the liquidity, has to build the liquidity, what do you think? What is that? What do I mean by that? This high, it has made the liquidity. It went lower, make this sell side liquidity. Went higher to take the buy side liquidity to keep alive. Went lower, made the liquidity. Did something like that, take the buy side liquidity, take the sell side liquidity, take the huge buy side liquidity. At the same time, made the buy side liquidity. Take the sell side liquidity. What is this called? It's your job. You know what is this called. Okay. So before the news, market has most of the time that type of intention. I have to stay here until the FOMC so that I can go for the extreme liquidity. Where is your extreme liquidity? Here. That doesn't mean I'm telling you, please push your button around FOMC because market is falling over there. I'm no one, not even ICT can tell that this news driving the market toward that sell side liquidity. Nobody can tell that. But yeah, I'm expecting that market will drive the new. The news will drive the price toward that sell side liquidity. That's my expectation. If it has to happen, market has to stay here around that area until 2 p.m. In that type of situation, market should not take the liquidity, the sell side liquidity, as much as sell side liquidity it can build. That's good for the FOMC. Now here is another matter. Market came to that entry fair value gap, went higher to that last fair value gap. Now this last fair value gap can send the price until this last fair value gap from this 15-minute chart. Why these two fair value gap is important? Look, market has taken the liquidity, market structure shift, first fair value gap, last fair value gap. Market came to the first fair value gap, went higher, didn't finish its job. This entry fair value gap didn't finish its job. every entry fair value gap and the last fair value gap has to finish its job. What is that? If market can go above that high, then it has finished its job. That means price came here, this fair value gap hold the price, send it back, take the liquidity, the obvious liquidity. This is the most obvious liquidity. Just look at this leg from here to here. Here is your sell side, here is your buy side. If market create and set up between this leg, in this leg, okay, I'm not talking about this leg, I'm talking about this leg, because this setup created inside this leg, not that leg. Overall, this whole price action is inside that leg. That means whatever you are seeing, actually it is, you are seeing it inside here. Sorry, here. Okay. So this is that leg. Whole price action is inside that leg. Now this leg is an unfair leg. It retraced from a random area. It retraced from a random area. That means market has to correct this leg. How can it make it correct? If price can tap over there, then if it falls, it will be corrected. Or maybe it will go little higher, trade any kind of fair value gap over here, then it will fall. This side will be corrected. If market go lower, tap to this fair value gap, this run will be corrected. It will be uncorrected yet. That means market will go to correct that one later. Right now, this setup happened inside that leg. That means this is the highest buy side liquidity. If market can go above that high, this fair value gap has done its job. Later, when price will come back here again, you will see no reaction from there. Not always, but most of the time, you will see no reaction from that entry fair value gap. In that type of situation, this last fair value gap will be the most important fair value gap. Now, if market fail to go above that high and come back again to this last fair value gap, you don't need to keep this fair value gap on your chart, not anymore. I am not talking here about the balanced price range or repricing. No, I'm just showing you how you will use the fair value gap for later, and when you can remove the fair value gap from my chart, from your chart, not depending on balance but depending on the price action. Okay, so if you see something like that, it came here to the last fair value gap, then it came to that last fair value gap, then it went higher to that high and it has taken that high, it made that, I mean, fair. Are you going to remove it the way I told that you can remove this fair value gap if market come here and come here? Okay, so it already came here. So if price can go here, I told you that please remove that from your chart. Are you going to do the same if price come to the last fair value gap and come here? Are you going to do the same thing for last fair value gap? No, this last fair value gap you will remove if you see market close that fair value gap fully by the body. If it is closed by the body fully, after that also it is important. But yeah, but I mean, initially you can remove that one, because you are going to see that this is not going to work the way you know it should work. It should not, it should work. Okay, so in that type of situation, if a one tick is not pulled or filled by the body, so it actually went lower by the wick, but the body closed just one tick above the low of that 15-minute last fair value gap, you will keep using that fair value gap. You have to keep it. You need a example, right? Like over here. Okay, this is the example. Okay, look over here. This is the hourly last fair value gap from dollar index. You see this candle closed very near to the high of that hourly fair value gap. Maybe this week went higher. I don't care about the week, I care about the body. The little portion is open yet. I'm gonna use this fair value gap. Still, this has that power to stop the price. This is the last fair value gap which has that power. If I would see this candle has fully closed that fair value gap, I wouldn't mark that. I I will give no shit to that fair value gap. It would be the useless fair value gap for me. I was talking about that over there. So in total, my expectation is if market can left that open, I'll be very happy to see that. But at the same time, if market go lower, if I see any kind of situation that this is not reaction from the last fair value gap, instead of that, this is actually reversal, then I will expect market will take that sell side liquidity and it will reach to that last fair value gap before going higher until 2 p.m. Until 2 p.m. I want to see market will be here. If you ask me exactly what I want to see, I want to see market is not going to take that sell side liquidity. Instead of that, market will go higher and it will come at least to that fair value gap, at least to that fair value gap to correct that run. See this run from a random area. I would love to see market will correct that run because that was unfair. Then if it wants to go little higher, I will observe the, I know, the fair value gap or something over here. Okay, something I will just observe here. If it wants to go higher than that fair value gap, I will see that later. Right now, I'm just waiting for 9:30. We will see around 9:30 if it can make anything. So far, we have this sell side liquidity. We don't have any buy side liquidity except the unfair business. So this is also a buy side liquidity for me. The way I was expecting yesterday that market will actually make it correct. For this week, I was bullish. Okay, I was bullish, but after watching the price action from yesterday, I'm now bearish. My expectation was market will come here until Tuesday, and Wednesday I will expect market will go higher to take clear the buy side liquidity. But actually market went higher and it has cleared the buy side liquidity to fall. So I am now bearish, not bullish anymore. Yesterday I told that and I have tweeted that. I don't know. Just a second. I don't think so. I maybe I just talked, but I didn't meet. Whatever. I told that there was a buy side liquidity here, this high and that high. If it is taken, then I will play this game in a different way. That means I will just change my bias. I was bullish for this week. Now I will be bearish for this week. Okay. So yeah, that's the all. All depends on the narrative. If you know the narrative, what is narrative? Accumulation, manipulation, distribution, continuation of the distribution, reset. This is the 5 days narrative. I hope guys you will get something from here, but if you don't get, don't worry, stay with me for some more days. You will understand. Today or tomorrow you are going to be understand. You are going to understand that, but you have to understand. There was this, 7 a.m. entry. If anybody take that, congratulations. If anyone missed that, also congratulations. First here, market has taken the liquidity, market structure shift. Where is your two fair value gap? This is the last fair value gap or the breakaway gap. This is the entry fair value gap. Market tapped to this entry fair value gap, went higher. Now, this was not an immediate reaction. What do I mean by that? When market has built this fair value gap, okay, you can see 1, 2, 3. There was 3 fair value gap. Which fair value gap is going to be very important for you? The upper one? No, not this one. This is your breakaway gap, right? This is your entry fair value gap. So you have to take your entry to that fair value gap. You cover the consequent encroachment of the last fair value gap or breakaway gap. Market went higher. Maybe you will see what I was going to tell you. So when market has made this one, how many candle it takes? 1, 2, 3. 3 candle didn't reach to that fair value gap. So it takes 4 candle. Still it's late. When it came here by 4 number candle, I will say that this is not an immediate reaction. Now it worked perfectly, but this is not my immediate reaction and I'm not interested to take that entry depending on that setup. Later when price went lower one more time around 6 a.m. sorry 7 a.m. kill zone, again market structure shift. When I got the market structure shift one more time, this is the first fair value gap, this is the last fair value gap or the breakaway gap. I don't know you can see it or not. First fair value gap or the entry fair value gap, last fair value gap or the breakaway gap. You will take your first fair value gap entry, you will cover the last fair value gap or breakaway gap, not the consequent encroachment. Whole fair value gap. Why? This is a very small fair value gap. Here, this is a huge breakaway gap. If you see huge breakaway gap, you will cover the consequent encroachment. If you see a small breakaway gap, you will cover not only the breakaway gap, you will get little more space so that price, even price want to go little below of that breakaway gap, you won't be stopped out. That was the 7:01 a.m. candle. Tap your entry fair value gap. Now you can say, brother, this is also not immediate reaction. Obviously, this is immediate reaction. Let me mark it. This is that fair value gap. 1, 2, the second candle, just the second candle, tap to that fair value gap. So it's already you are in the market. It's the immediate reaction. I wait for 3 candles. If market really would love to react, it will give you within 3 candle, it will give you the setup. So yeah, in my opinion, that was a very immediate reaction. Market went higher, and later actually I didn't saw that, but Peter showed me that there was another setup here. Market went lower, take some liquidity, market structure shift, first fair value gap, breakaway gap, another entry over there until that last fair value gap. So yeah, that's all. And as I explained, I am just expecting market will come here to that fair value gap to correct this fault. This is a fault. I'm gonna mark that high as my buy side liquidity. At the same time, if you see, this is relatively equal highs from 1 minute chart. I'm not telling this is a very strong buy side liquidity, but still this is buy side liquidity. This high and that high, they're relatively equal highs. So that's my target so far to that morning session. And yeah, that's all for the beginning. Now it's time to read your comment because we are just 3 minutes before the 9:30 open. Okay, guys, just don't forget to give me a like. Okay, that's a request to all of you guys. Thanks for understanding. I hope that you will give me the like. All okay. Thank you, Fazlul, for confirming that everything is okay. We don't trade before FOMC, right? We should not trade before, before FOMC. We should not trade. It's kind of suicide. If you take entry before FOMC, it's kind of suicide. Okay. But everything is, probability. So this game is a probable game. If you want to take, if you know you are going to take an entry where your stop loss is just for 5 handle, for example, and your account actually let you take at least 50 handle loss in a day, and if you take 50 handle loss in a day, it's not going to be blown within 30 minutes, then you can easily take the entry. Okay, it all depends what you are trading and how you are trading, what is your loss limit, what is your, everything. That's all, brother. Good morning. Hey, Yunus. Good morning and good evening, brother. How was your 7 a.m. trade? I didn't take any entry at 7 a.m. So you can see this is my execution. That was the London session. I wasn't in front of my chart around the 7 a.m. So I didn't take any entry over there. I saw it later when market was over here somewhere. Okay, I have tweeted that as well. That uh, yeah. So here I was here when market was over there. Then I was here. Okay, I wasn't in front of my chart, so I didn't take any entry around 7 a.m. Peter, good morning, good evening, and always, brother. Thank you, Casey Jeff. But what I don't know. I hope before PM session it done 4500. It can happen, Kobir. No, no argue. Good morning and good evening, Sebastian. Join to my Twitter. There is the link of my Twitter. So if anyone is interested, you can join me to my Twitter. Trust me, you won't regret if you join me over there. Good morning and good evening, team. How are you, brother? Robin Hood. I'm watching your macro playlist, but I don't see your trade macro in live stream. In macro import, is macro important? Okay, brother. I've done my macro trading. I did macro trading in my live streaming 7 days in a row. 7 days, every single day for macro. Every single day. Okay, I did it in my life in a row. So I guess so far we had, okay, this is the 9:30 candle. So let's see where did it go. At the same time, let me go to the here and let me mark the opening gap. But macro, when I have done, I'm done. Okay, I don't want to continue the macro. I told in that time, brother, I'm not going to trade take entry depending on the macro, not anymore. That's too easy. I love some hard things. I don't like easy things. So yeah, that's all, brother. Came to this here, and let's see if it can reach to that buy side liquidity and finally it can correct its mistake or not. Let's see. Okay, we are going to see if it is going to happen or not. And macro is the easiest one. So if you're really lazy and if you don't want to read this, I mean, use potential price action, you can go for that macro. There's nothing wrong with that. Yeah, obviously you can go for that macro. Salim Lakhal, hey brother, I think you are a very good trader, but I notice a flaw in your belief system. You believe that changing your daily bias is chasing price, but I disagree because as traders our job is to react, and it's impossible to get the daily bias correct 100% of the time. I had the same issue, and when I changed my belief system I was way more profitable, and I think you do this, you will be okay. Thanks for that advice, brother. 10 times better than better trader. I learned a lot from you trading. Thank you, Salim, and thanks, really thanks for your advice, brother. I will try, man. I will try. So for this 9:30 open and market just tap to this last parabolic lookup from 15-minute chart. I'm talking about this chart, this 15-minute parabolic lookup. Okay, so it went one more time to that 15-minute parabolic gap and just reacting. All I want to do, I mean, all I want to see is market will break this 15-minute parabolic gap. It will come here and take that buy side liquidity. Finally, it will tap over that. That's all I am waiting to see. At the same time, as I explained, this sell side liquidity, if I see any kind of interest that market is going lower toward that sell side liquidity, I will try to catch that on, and I will be bearish until this last parabolic gap. Okay, let me check if there is any parabolic gap or not. Okay, I got a parabolic gap so far. It's a low of that 15-minute candle, and this is a high of that 15-minute candle. I'm not sure that market is going to keep it or not, but yeah, I will see if it can make any parabolic gap from here from 15-minute chart or not. If it went below that low, that means this 15-minute parabolic gap is not continuing to happening over here. Okay, so I just predict that market is going to make this 15-minute parabolic gap. It's not 15-minute parabolic gap yet. It will be here after 9:45. Until 9:45 it's not created yet. Believe that this parabolic gap will hold the price, send it back, and it will take that buy side liquidity. Finally it will come here, and this parabolic gap will hold the price. That's my thinking, but let's see how it reacts. If you just join, don't forget to give me a like. More than 176 people, and still I get only maybe 556. I didn't notice that. I mean 51 likes. So please give me some likes. Thank you, Scotty. I really appreciate that for giving me that membership. Thanks. Thanks, man. Thanks for that. Hey Riot, how are you, brother? Crystal clear. Thanks. Oh man, how many? Okay. So remember, this is not the 15-minute. It didn't work. I'm gonna remove it because still there is no setup. I will only go with the perfect setup. So there is no 15-minute parabolic gap. Okay. If you just go to your 15-minute chart, you will see there is no 15-minute parabolic gap. See, I was expecting there will be a 15-minute parabolic gap. Now there is no 15-minute parabolic gap. And this is the opening gap. This is the opening of that gap. Price just opened and it's going lower. the 50% of that opening gap, 75%, 25%, everything has that potential to stop the price, send it back again. So I will wait. Is this lower market structure shift for going lower? I don't see the market structure shift here. Though market has taken that buy side liquidity, but I didn't get any market structure shift. So I'm not interested to take the sell until that sell side liquidity. I'm not interested because I didn't get the market structure shift. Again, guys, no market structure shift. So I'm not interested. Same time, I will just see this last parallel gap from 1 minute chart, and let's see if it can hold the price or not. 7 a.m. trade, bro. I knew it. Peter, you are the hidden wizard. Okay. Now I actually missed a lot of your comments. So I'm sorry. I don't want to go over there. I would love to see the price. Okay. How it react. I would love to see. Where did it came? To the consequent crossment of that opening gap. Let's see if it can go above, or it really would love to go lower to take that sell side liquidity. Now it's broken, I guess. It's going lower or not. As I explained, there is no market structure shift yet. I'm not interested to take sell, that's why. I have very clean sell side liquidity. Though my expectation was market will go higher, even if it went lower, and if I get a very nice setup, I'll go for that sell. Until now, I didn't get any market structure shift. Without market structure shift, I'm not interested to take sell. That's all. I'm gonna remove it because I'm thinking that it's broken. Okay, I will just wait one more candle. Okay, yeah, it's broken. This 25%, 50%, 75%, 1%, 0%. All of this area has the power to stop the price, send it back. All of this area has the power if you are looking for bullish. I will observe the price. Even I have only this clear sell side liquidity, I'll just observe the price, how far it can reach, and then I will take my decision. Now you can say there is a market structure shift. This low has been shifted, but just look at the price. Okay, how far the low was over here, or if you go for that extreme low, it was too low, too far, right? I mean, we look for some kind of wind, a swing low over here. We look for that, but here the market structure shift happened there, so I'm not interested. Even if market went lower and take that sell side liquidity, I'm not willing to take that sell. I'll just let it go. I will just let it go. Okay. Okay. So one body closed, the very next body went lower. I will still see this as a shallow run. So this is my new buy side liquidity. I'll just see this as a shallow run. So market has made the buy side liquidity, and I will try to go over there. Right now, price is inside here to that entry fair gap. Let's see if it can hold it or not. I'm gonna change the color. There it is. Here. There's the entry fair gap. Let's see if price can go higher or not. Maybe you are looking for sell. Okay, maybe you are looking for sell. Now as I told, please go for that. I showed you, you have the sell side liquidity. I have explained everything over here. Please go for that, nothing wrong with that. If it is against my expectation, I will just wait. Now I'm not going to push my button because I have seen a setup here already, but I'm not gonna push that button. Otherwise you guys will start to judge me and you will tell me whether you are doing over trading. So I don't want to do that. I will wait for the perfect setup. If I get it, I will push my button. If I don't get it, I'm not going to do anything. Okay, as it came to this last parallel gap, I will just gonna mark only the last parallel gap now. and I'm expecting that this is the last line which can stop the price. So this is the last fair value gap. It has the power to stop the price before taking that sell side liquidity. Again, if you are looking for sell, please go for that. I'm not telling you follow my trade or follow my analysis. I'm just explaining you. If it is against my expectation, I'm not going to do anything. Now, who guys are thinking this is the sell side liquidity, market is going to take that sell side liquidity? So remember the London session here, this low and that low, they are relatively equal lows. I took a buy here actually, but I got stopped out. Then I took rebuy because I was believing that market is not going to take that sell side liquidity. Market is going higher and take buy side liquidity. So here, this is the same situation for me. Still, I'm believing that market is going higher, so I'm not interested to take sell. You have to read the story. I'm just reading the story, nothing else, brother. I'm just trying to read the story. If I was looking for sell, then I would wait to price reach until this fair value gap or that fair value gap. I would wait for that, and I would look for immediate reaction. That means one candle within three candle, it will come here and then it will go lower. Otherwise, I wouldn't look for that. Do you have any Telegram or Discord channel? Harun, I have Discord, but I am not active over there, brother. I am only active over here. You see this small X things or Twitter. I'm only active over here at the rate of NRT12345, and okay, it was unexpected 799 followers. So if I get one more followers, it will be 800 followers. I'm really so happy. Yeah, whatever. Okay, this hourly fair value gap hold the price going higher. That's why it was going lower, but it's okay. I really want to see market will break this hourly fair value gap, or it will work with this hourly fair value gap little more. It will work with this hourly fair value gap little more. When it will work with this hourly fair value gap, this guy will keep going higher. Until that fair value gap, it will keep going higher. Still remember, if it wants to fall, there is nothing wrong. Where did it reach? To that last fair value gap. So if it wants to go lower, nothing wrong with that. I just want to see it will go more higher. But it's a perfect place where it can reverse. From where it can reverse. As I told, you can't frame your trade from 1 minute fair value gap. You just can't do it. Here is your 15-minute last fair value gap from your 15-minute chart. Here, this candle low, that candle high. Even if it can reverse from here, I'm not framing my trade from last fair value gap from 1 minute chart. I'm framing my trade from 15-minute fair value gap. Okay, so keep it in your mind. Hello, brother Tito. Sorry for the days I miss, but I have to work. Okay, Miguel, no problem. We will see you later, brother. Okay, ZG trades. I actually explained that in the morning, sorry, London session. I'm gonna explain that one more time. You asked me that why there is no new day opening gap. The reason is I was doing some experimental things yesterday at the midnight. I mean after the session. That's why I had to clean my new day opening gap from my chart. So I have only this thing because I had nothing to do over there. That's why I didn't remove it from my chart. But here I removed everything. Okay, then I slept only 2 hours, just 2 hours, and then when I came back, I had no chance. This is broken, so market is actually going to take that sell liquidity. So I just missed that run. Did I take any loss? No, I didn't take any loss. Is that a loss for me? No, I didn't take any loss. I'll just see. I will just observe the price. Still I'm believing that market will go higher. Still I'm believing that. Okay, whatever. So when I did it and when I slept after that, I didn't get time to mark that new opening gap on my chart again. That's why I just removed them. But you have to keep them for 7 days at least. Okay. So if the new opening gap create at in Monday, you will be able to clean the new opening gap next Tuesday after the Monday session. It's gonna be 8 days, I guess. Again, I'm saying you, if anyone was looking for sell, it's your job. Okay, you want to take your sell or you want to take your buy, it's your decision, not mine. So yeah, don't blame me to miss that big run or something. I don't see them as a missing trade, because I saw a lot of time market went the opposite way, then it gave me the perfect setup and I go for that. Okay, I saw a lot of time that. Here I'm not going for that. Yeah, I will just wait for the perfect setup, and that is market will take the liquidity, then a very nice market structure shift, fair value gap, I'll go for that only, not any other type of sell or buy or anything. No, I'm not going to do that. Yeah, I would take a sell if I would see market structure shift over there. I told that, but there was no market structure shift in according to my rules. I didn't see it, so I didn't participate in that run. Bro, is that 130 15-minute fair value gap relative? 130 15-minute fair value gap, are you talking about this 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 where is 130 here? Okay, you are talking, obviously this is relative. I believe that if it is not closed by the body, if it is not closed by the body, then obviously it is relative. Yeah, it is relative, obviously it is relative. Still you have this 15-minute fair value gap, so you don't need that one. You have this one already on your chart. See this one, you have already that one. So if it is broken, then this is relative. If it is not broken, then you don't need that one. But yeah, still you have those on your chart, you can keep them. And if you see this one is broken, then you can wait for that one. Yeah, thank you, Peter. You guys keep showing me this type of fair value gap, because I'm in 1 minute chart, and yeah, sometimes I miss this type of fair value gap. If you have multi-monitor, this keep telling me there is a 50-minute fair value gap or entry fair value gap or something. Just keep telling me, okay? That will be easier for me, because I have just one monitor. So I'm sometimes I'm unable and I miss a lot of things over here. Okay, thank you. Did you tell us once more time of opening gap? What do you want to know? You have to go to regular trading hour, the closing of yesterday, the opening from today. That is your opening gap. Okay. Market came here, so I'm gonna remove it from my chart. Let's see this fair value gap can hold the price or not. At the same time, this is the entry fair value gap maybe. 1 minute I don't need, just as because I have this 50-minute fair value gap. I will see. I'll just observe that. But it is very near to that sell side liquidity. It's going to take that sell side liquidity. But I read the story for all of you guys, right? I read the story. If market really would love to go lower, it should left some sell side liquidity, because if it wants to extremely go lower, it will take that liquidity on its way. That's why I'm going to believe that market is going higher. I'm not interested to take sell. If it take that sell, it will maybe come until that last probably gap. So I don't want to see that. Now 930 opening gap has any value? Obviously it has the value. For example, you are looking for bearish. Okay, just for example, you was thinking that market will go and market will go lower actually. So you have to mark this thing. See this reaction from minus, I'm sorry, 0.25 or what to say, it's a quadrant. Market broke this, come back again quadrant, upper quadrant, 25 quadrant, went lower. If I was bearish, I would use them as a resistance. Support breaks, turns into resistance. So this opening gap is important until 10 a.m. After 10, I don't need that one, not anymore. I'm done with this. Price is currently in a new day opening gap top at and bottom at an and CE at an. Okay. So thank you brother for that. I will just mark it. What is that? 18266.25. 18266.25. think here. Okay, that's the opening gap high. 18,25875. 25875. 18,25875. Okay, it's broken actually. Okay, as it is broken, let's see. Not concerned about the force or momentum of the reversal. What is your question actually, brother? What is exactly your question? I didn't understand, brother. What do you mean by concern about the momentum? I'm not a momentum trader. I think I didn't get your question, brother. But at the same time, if you think it's gonna be little helpful, though you are going to miss a lot of trade, if you want to stay with me, you are going to miss a lot of trade. But if you can catch someone, that will be best, I guess. So you can subscribe to my channel and you can make it 4500 today. Okay, so that's my target. If I can reach to 445, sorry, 4500. Looking forward for boom. Let's see, brother. 18251. What's that? Low of new opening gap is 18251. Okay, okay. I guess there is the low of the new opening gap. I'm sorry because I really so it came to that 50-minute last favorable gap. It tapped over there. Let's see if it can go higher or not. Are you from BD? I'm from BD, brother. Hey George, how are you, brother? I'm from BD, brother. Brother. If you're upside oriented and looking for a long on the minute 15, you see such a big downward candle, you will still be upside oriented, obviously, brother. 100%. So if you are talking about this big candle around 9:30, I don't care about that. This big candle, see this big candle, how big candle it is. I was telling that market is going higher. I was expecting the reaction actually, but it was the reversal. That's my mistake. But still, after seeing this big oriented candle, if my bias is bullish, I will still keep thinking that market is going higher. Every fair value gap will be violated. Here, I was expecting just a reaction, okay, not a reversal. But still, it doesn't mean that you saw a big candle that means market is going to fall. No, it's not same. Remember, today we are just trading. Yeah, no fair value gap, nothing. So no setup yet. I will wait for the perfect setup, Peter, for anything. Okay, I don't want anyone to judge me. Not anymore. MSS is not valid. No fair value gap. Absolutely, Hassan. This MSS is not valid because there is no fair value gap. I saw that, and I'm really happy that you guys started to mark the real swing high, which is actually valid for shifting market structure. Thanks for that. Okay. So yeah, there is no fair value gap, so this MSS is not valid. Still, this is not a displacement. I love to see the displacement, and there is no displacement. So yeah, still no entry. Just us. Morning, looking for a morning boom. Evening, and I will try to catch a evening boom, brother. Good morning, good evening, Sizo. I did like, and we got 200 plus subscribers, and appreciate your dedication. Sleep good, bro. Yeah, I slept for 2 hours last day. Just 2 hours. Yeah, maybe. Okay. I saw still I didn't see any setup. Okay, I will wait for the setup, perfect setup, then I will go for that Peter. Okay. Hey Winston, how are you, brother? Actually, thanks to you for your great explanations, bro. You're most welcome, Hassan. And thanks to all of you guys for inspiring me even after some bad days. I have to overcome this fear, people fear, and you guys the way are helping me. I'm really grateful to all of you guys. I'm really grateful. Okay, other even if you were not here, I wouldn't be called that market is going higher. Okay, I wouldn't be able to do that. I would change my direction because I would fear. I was fearing like yesterday. I was fearing to call the what to say. I mean the direction. I was fearing. Really, I was fearing. But when you guys actually give me the inspiration, I feel like okay, whatever happens, I don't care. There will be some people who believes me. Thank you, man. Thanks for that unstoppable inspirations. Fasting and no sleep. That's crazy too. Actually, yesterday I had to do something. I mean, I had to finish something. So I wanted to do that at the evening session, but one guy actually when he told me, I come back and doing the revenge trade, my mood was just gone. So I had no way. So I had to wake up to finish that unfinished business. Okay, bro, you watch 50-minute reversal to 50% and reversal. I saw some people mark 50% on 15 minutes. It depends. I also mark 50%, but not always. Like over here, I'm watching the 50% of that specific fair value gap. I want to see market should break that 50%. See this 50%, it's not broken yet. As I'm expecting market will go higher, I was expecting price will close above that 50%. But yeah, still I didn't get it. Still I'm watching. I'm just watching. No fear. Okay, thank you. Until you are here, I have no fear. Hey Ryan, how are you, brother? Yeah, bro, no pressure, just chill. Thank you, Mandal. Mainak Mandal. Rakib, Rabib Hassan. I'm from Rajshahi, Jaipur Hat. Oh man, this is the mango season is coming. Send me some mango, okay? Because Rajshahi is familiar for the mango. I'm just kidding, brother. Would you suggest not to look at 5 minute if we use 15 minute and 1 minute? Mr. Look, the fact is I don't go 5 minute. Now, if you feel comfortable and if you get the precision from 5 minute, I just can't tell you please don't go 5 minute. But all I want to see, don't go every time frame. Like for example, what do you see here? Very sloppy price action. If I go to 3 minute, I'm seeing some clean price action, right? Now from see there is no fair value gap from 3 minute chart. No fair value gap, right? For example, you are looking for a sell. From here, you are looking for a sell, but you love to trade from 3 minute chart. But now you are seeing there is no fair value gap. Now what you do? You went to 1 minute chart and you find that fair value gap. So you are going to take your sell over there. Why? Why did you go to 1 minute chart? To give you a setup. That means when you are going different type of time frame, that means you are forcing market to give you a setup. That's the thing I don't like. I don't like to force the market to give me the setup. That's why I don't change my time frame. For example, if you come here to 5 minute chart, you can see this is the 5 minute entry fair value gap. This is the entry, I mean, sorry, last fair value gap. Now you are thinking market is going to fall. You always trade through your 5 minute chart. You come here, you got that setup, you take that sell. Now you actually don't trade on 5 minute chart. You trade maybe from 15 minute chart. Now from 15 minute chart, you are seeing that there is no fair value gap traded yet. So that means you didn't get any setup yet to take sell. What you will go do? You will go to your 5 minute chart and you will see this fair value gap. You will take your sell over there. Maybe market will go higher and stop you out. Do you understand what I mean to say? I mean, if you change the time frame, that means you are forcing market to give you a setup. That's all I don't like. That's the thing I don't like. So this is 10 a.m. candle. The silver bullet has started. Let's see how it react. Is this swing high valid for shifting market structure? Now, in general, I'm not going with that swing high because this is just a consolidation according to me. Just a consolidation. There is no clean swing high. Look over here. Was that a swing high? Here, I'm talking about this. Was that a swing high? Yeah. How it can be a swing high? Market went lower, went higher, went lower. Can you see the swing here? There is a swing. This is the swing high. But look over here. Market went here, went sideways. See, sideways. It went sideways. No swing. In that type of situation, I actually avoid this type of swing high for shifting market structure. I would love to. I want a swing. What is swing? This is a swing. Okay. Now, is this the same thing? Just tell me. Okay. Is this the same thing or not? This one and this one, is this same thing? This is just a week. Okay. This high is actually just a week. Here this is a swing, and here this is just sideways. I don't believe this sideways. I believe this type of swing. I told that swing high, not a high, just a swing high. So why price is doing this bullshit over here? Because this is new day opening up. Thanks for giving me that lines. I got that lines. So otherwise I will be confused why it is actually doing that consolidation on that area. Let me check if I get something else here. Okay. So this is the last fabric up, entry fabric up. I came here. Okay, we are already in the 50-minute last fabric up, so I don't need that 1 minute things or something. I can stay over here. Am I going to take buy from here? If I get a very nice market structure shift, I will go for that. I don't care about that social liquidity. Can market take that social liquidity? Obviously, it can take that social liquidity. There is nothing wrong with that. I'm just not interested. That's all. Winston, what you saying is what I am having problem with brother love. Okay, Winston love, no brother. One of them is a swing, other is a animal pattern. Yeah, that was the animal brother. But look, what did you say, brother? What you saying is what I am having problem with, brother. Are you talking about the time frame changing? I mean, 5 minutes, 1 minute, 3 minutes, something like that. I guess you were talking about that. But yeah, that's my thinking, brother. I'm not telling it's wrong, it's good, it's bad, or it's good. I'm just telling it seems to me forcing market to give me a setup, and I don't like it. That's all I want to tell. Nothing else, brother. So yeah, if you like 5 minute chat, please go over there. Please explain your first and last Fable Cup concept. I have understood but need more clarity. And what is first Fable Cup, last Fable Cup concept? Neil Jadov, thanks for asking that question, brother. But just keep coming, okay? When it will be here, I keep explaining them, okay? I keep explaining them. But I just can go back and just explain that it's not good. I don't feel good with that, okay? I have already made the video. You can watch them or you just keep coming. I keep explaining them because every time I'm just working with the last Fable Cup and the entry Fable Cup right now. Just working with them. So I will keep explaining them, okay, brother? Why you don't enter? Sun Sahar, where should I take the entry, brother? Watch the videos. Yeah, I have already done that. Do you believe are we bearish or bullish? I'm bullish, brother. In a longer term, I'm bearish. That means around FOMC, I'll be bearish. Right now, I'm bullish. In a short period of time, I'm bullish. But in a longer period of time, I'm bearish. Okay, businessman. Lots of videos. Yeah, absolutely, Peter. There's lot of videos. You can watch them in my YouTube channel. I've already made them, man. Sunsar, why should I take my entry, brother? Bro, I forgot to mention you can sign up. for top step X and can chart in trading view without any lag. I mean direct interaction with top step X platform. In that case, I have to trade through top step X, I guess. I can't trade through my trading view, but I love this trading view, man. I don't know, but I'm kind of stubborn, you know that. So yeah, I love this trading view. Okay, I don't want to go anywhere else except this trading view. How beautiful the consolidation is. Are you willing to take entry over here? Ah, never, man. I believe we're gonna smoke the 18234 first. 18234 first. So you are talking about this sell side liquidity. I saw that, man. I saw that. It happened here one time. Okay. It happened here one time when there was relatively equal lows. Then this low has made this relatively equal lows more stronger. Yeah, it can happen. I'm not telling that it's not going to happen. All I want to see is I want to see higher, not clearing this sell side liquidity. It should be cleared around 2 p.m. By using the FOMC, it should be cleared. That's my expectation. It should be cleared by FOMC, not before that. But if it cleared that sell side liquidity before FOMC, I'll be happy. I'll put my hand outside of this chart. Is there anything wrong with that? No. ICT all told already. ICT has already told FOMC days entering the trade before the FOMC is kind of suicidal. Don't F use that F word. Okay, don't F enter into the trade before FOMC. I don't want to do that. Substix is very laggy platform. Okay, Jack T. I didn't know that. I didn't use that. Okay. Walaikum Assalam, Ahmed Mustafa. How are you, brother? Sizu says, okay, they also have same trading view chart, same trading view tie up. They have. I know, Sizu says, I saw that, brother, but it's kind of feelings. I feel very good with here, and everything is same over there, but still, this is trading view. It's kind of emotion, man, emotion. When you think we will be bearish, what premium area we left on top to tap to go down? Man, you are late. You have to watch the first part of today's stream, okay? So when I'll be finished morning session, you please watch the first part. I mean, first 15 to 20 minutes, just 15 to 20 minutes. I explained everything. So you are not going to need that information until the PM session. So you can watch them after the AM session. You can watch. Nothing wrong with that. So yeah, you will be able to catch the whole thing even if you watch that part after the AM session. But before, obviously before PM session, well. Top is a very laggy platform. Okay, when you started your trading journey? Rabib Hassan. I forget, brother. I'm a very old guy. I'm 54. I'm just same as Peter. Peter is 54. I'm is actually 53. So yeah, I forget, man. Isn't choppy since NFP week? I didn't trade since 2 weeks ago. Overall, it is not choppy. When we are in 1 minute chart, it's not choppy. But yeah, from daily chart, it's disaster. It's disaster. Chop nation right now. Yeah, chopping. I explained that choppiness also before the stream. I mean, at the beginning of my stream. Please watch that first part after the stream. You will understand what can happen. I have already outlined every single thing. I have outlined already. Every possibilities I have outlined already. You please watch that part, and you will understand that. But you don't need to watch that right now. After the session, you can watch it. 942 1 minute MSS 940. There is no single swing high. There is no swing high in this price action. There is no swing high which is valid for shifting market structure for the above. I mean for the higher. Okay. No, not even a single swing high which is valid for shifting market structure. in my opinion. At the end, I add in my opinion. Brother, can you mark 15-minute bearish fair value gap? Obviously, thank you for reminding me that. Okay, thank you, man. I really need that. I just needed that. Thank you, man. So that is the bearish fair value gap. Thanks again, thanks again, thanks again. Dhanyabad. You're most welcome, money. With the 4-hour closer now, we should move lower. Yeah, let's see if we can go lower or not, brother. Peter Henry, you are 54. Yeah, I know, I'm 53. You're 54 years old, I'm 53. Did you tap the true nude opening gap for today? You have mistakes, or maybe I fail. Look, please. Today we have no nude opening gap. I mean, maybe we had for one tick or two tick, but yeah, it's not really. Do we have uh, any nude opening gap today? Let me check. I actually don't remember. Do we have or not? Yeah. So today we don't have any nude opening gap. See this candle close, this candle open. We don't have any nude opening gap. And this nude opening gap I just marked. You guys give me the outline, so I just marked it. So if it is wrong, let me correct if I marked it in a wrong way. Okay. Your voice is not like 54. How old am I, Rabi? How old am I, brother? Bro, are you 54? No, man, I was just kidding. I'm not 54. Bro, I thought you were like 20. Oh, no, man. Anyway, no, I'm not 54, man. I was just kidding. I'm not 54. Oh, man. You're welcome, bro. No problem, Hassan. Thanks. Really thanks, because this travel lookup is really so important. So important. Can it be the market maker sell model? Can it be the market maker sell model? Accumulation? Then you know the market maker sell model, right? Accumulation, little manipulation, no, not manipulation, sorry, accumulation, distribution, second stage of accumulation, went higher, manipulation done, distribution, retrace, distribution toward that first accumulation. DXY going down? Seriously? Let me check. Okay, I am happy now. I wanted to see that. I really wanted to see that. I wanted to see market should go lower, at least to that fair value, at least to come here. When market will spend time here, this guy will go higher until here, until that fair value gap. It will go over there. That was my expectation. Now DXY gave me the confirmation. I'm falling, brother. Don't be hesitate. Take buy. I'm really happy. But again, guys, if anyone is looking for sell, you're welcome. If you see a sell setup, go for that. Just go for that. Okay. Really, smile be like below 25 to 30, under 30. Okay, 27. Under is 20 to 30. Just boom. Just born. Okay, dark ghost. I just born, brother. I believe we have new day opening gap today. It's overlapping. Andre, I just checked. We don't have any new day opening gap today. Okay, we don't have any. I just checked it, Andre. Baby, you are 32 or 33 years old. Absolutely, Robin. I'm 32, brother. You're right. I'm 32. And yeah, you're right, man. How did you find it out, man? I'm 32 years old. So whoever took the sell here, if anyone take the sell, okay, I didn't because I wasn't expecting this run, but if anyone took that sell, he should close his trade here because it's consolidating. Just don't hold your breath. So when market will go a little lower, just close your trade. Okay, don't hold it. You are just holding your heart, with this sloppy price action, man. Tilt in top step in is 62% long. Okay, so my expectation and top step expectation is near about the same. I was also looking for long. That's cool. I'm not feeling good to push my button. Guys, if you don't give me the like, see there is near about 250 people. I get 97 likes. It's not it's not fair, okay? It's not fair. I am just reading whole story over here. Even after seeing this extremely strong sell side liquidity, I'm telling you that I'm going higher. Isn't it eductionable? I mean, are you not getting something from here? Oh man, seriously? Still, you're so miser. You don't want to give me the likes. That doesn't mean I told it's going higher. That means market is going higher. No, it can obviously go the sell. Okay, so if you want to look for the sell, if you find any setup, go for that. I'm not telling that. Please don't go for sell. I'm just telling I'm not looking for sell. That's all. So please just give me some likes. Okay, I got some likes. 108 likes. Thank you, man. Out of 250 people, I got 108 likes. Thank you, man. What are the two blue lines, bro? Man, this is the nude opening gap. I'm not sure 100% is it correct or not. I mean, you guys told me, I just marked it, okay? Because I removed it from my chart yesterday night for my own work, and later I actually forgot because I had no way to sleep more than 2 hours. I just slept, and when I get up, I forgot to remark the nude opening gap, so I just forgot it. Like or F off. I'm the 100 like. Okay, yeah, I believe that. Scotty, show the brother some love. Yeah, please. Thanks, Scotty, for reminding them. Please show me some love, man. Give me some likes. Sir, your stream is very educative and conceptual. Thank you, Messi Khan. I don't like your name. Messi, I don't like. If it was a CR7, then I would be very happy, man. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding, man. Okay, you guys want me to do something inside this consolidation? I'm sorry, I can't do it. Why market is doing consolidation? Yeah, I can explain that if you want. I just can make a story over here. Price came here. Where did it came? Go to your 15-minute chart first. What is this? Obviously 15-minute last fair value gap. Price came here to that 15-minute last fair value gap. Come back again. Where did it came? 15-minute last fair value gap. Now if you want to go over here, it is also valid. This is also valid because this is not closed by the body yet. So this is also valid. Last fair value gap from 15-minute chart. It came over here. At the same time, it is inside the new day opening gap. See how many things do we have here? Last fair gap from 15-minute chart, new day opening gap, market came here. I have very clean sell side liquidity over here, right? So beautiful, so delicious food is over here. I'm so hungry. What should I do? I should take that food. At the same time, I'm thinking if I take that food right now, then if I come here around 2:30 p.m., I have to go here. I don't have any food in between. No food. How can I go that far without taking some food? So I can't take that food. I'm in a indecision mode. This is a rest place. I'm taking my rest here. Why? Nude opening gap, last travel gap from 15 minutes. I'm just taking the rest. And at the same time, I'm trying to take a decision. What should I do? Should I take that sell side liquidity and make another sell side liquidity? That means to make another food for later. Or should I just left it and go higher, take the buy side food? Later, when I will go for the sell side, the extreme one, then at the same time I will take that on. What should I do? It doesn't know. I also don't know what I'm doing. Just sitting here watching this this drama. I'm just watching this drama. That's all, brother. Hello, brother. I will just put my like. Thanks, John Dre. Thank man. You play football, bro? What do you have? This and talk more about yourself when market is choppy. I love cricket. I love to play cricket. Football in my childhood, I actually broke my leg. Not broke, actually, there was a fracture. From there, yeah, I am really afraid to play football. But I love to watch football. And my favorite player is CR7, Cristiano Ronaldo. Is, in my opinion, he is the best. But obviously, Messi is one of the best. And Christian Messi, they are one of the best. Okay. My favorite team is Brazil. So far, Neymar is also, my favorite. In cricket, my favorite team is Pakistan after Bangladesh. I love Pakistan. Okay. I'm sorry, I'm not racist. So I'm just telling myself. I'm hungry too and sleepy till 3 hours to iftar. I've done my iftar. So I'm not hungry, not yet. Yeah. So yeah, see, ¿por qué? ¿Por qué, Leonardo? ¿Por qué sí? I want that lower CB and 1818 before FOMC to go higher at 2 p.m. Okay, Alvarez, I'm not thinking that. I'm thinking that market will stay here, it will go higher. Around 2:30 market will go lower. That's my expectation. Let's see. So you love India and India versus Pakistan all-time favorite. Okay, no problem, Sizo. Everyone has their own choice. You love India, I love Pakistan after Bangladesh. My first team is Bangladesh, okay, to be honest. Then Pakistan. And then South Africa. South Africa actually made me the lover of Pakistan. Tier 7 she. Okay. I love him, man. What a market, man. What a market. Did you remember who was with me? What I told? Market has to make the liquidity. It has to take the liquidity. Has to make the liquidity again. It has to take the liquidity. It has to do that until the FOMC. That's why FOMC morning is really so tough to trade. Sometimes we get the run, it's true, but most of the time it's really tricky to trade. Virat Kohli crying in corner. Okay, Virat Kohli, he's one of the best batsmen in the world. I mean, after Sachin Tendulkar, I guess he's one of the best. Okay, there is no one you can compare with Virat Kohli. So yeah, obviously, I'm just telling you that I like Said Afridi. That's the thing. Okay, Aussie bro. Obviously, Shane Watson, one of my favorite player. I love him. Okay, Shane Watson. Oh man, what a player. You South Africa, let's go. My hometown. One day, brother. One day I will go over there. Obviously, if I'm not dead, I will travel at least 131 country all over this world. So far, I have traveled 31 country only. So I have to travel at least 100 more countries before dying. Can you do the Nagin dance? Don't do that, man. We'll get up now and come back during FOMC. Catch you later. See you, Big Mod. We will see you later, brother. Viv Richards is one of the best player, right? All over the world. I love cricket. I am a bowler, first bowler, and yeah, I do little bat as well, but I love to bowl. But it's been near about 3 to 4 years I didn't play cricket. I have no nothing to do except this chart. It's been near about 3 to 4 years. So yep, not a good time actually. There is the Twitter link on my comment box. So if anyone is interested to connect me with my Twitter, okay, I got 400 followers. Congratulate me, please. Congratulate me. I got 400. Sorry, not 400. 800 followers in my Twitter. So that's a huge achievement for me. Thanks to all to follow me over there. Really, thanks to all. Okay, congratulate me, man. Please. Rich kids in Bangladesh. Oh man. Mhm. And if anyone to subscribe to my channel, you are welcome to subscribe because let's see if we can hit 4500 or not. So till now it's 444479. Make it 4500 at least. At least 4500. Okay. Make it 4500. Congrats, bro. Thank you, man. Thank you. Putin warned West. Awesome. Thank you, man. Thank you. Thanks to all. Okay. Let's see if it can go higher or not. This is the 50-minute bearish fair value gap. If it is broken, I'll be really so happy. I really want to see that. Was there any setup? No, there was no setup. Now, if you ask me about the another setup, I love to trade. I saw a setup, but as I told, I don't want to take that type of entries because you guys start to judge me. Okay, so that's why I'm not going to do that. But otherwise, it was awesome, awesome setup. Okay, whatever, let it go. I'll just let it go because if I see, I mark that travel gap. If price could tap over there, I wouldn't push my button because I didn't get the market structure shift. As I didn't get the market structure shift, I'm not interested to take my buy. That is the perfect setup. I will wait for the perfect setup. Okay. Now you have to be happy. Even you didn't get the chance to take that entry, but you have to be happy. Why? Because you were looking for sell. You saw this sell side liquidity. You saw this fair value gap. Maybe from 5 minute chart. Sorry, let me come to 5 minute chart. Maybe you are a trader from 5 minute chart. You put your sell from that fair value gap. Maybe from that fair value gap. Maybe, but still it is going higher, right? So you just avoid a losing trade. So you have to be happy with that, even though you didn't get any chance to take that entry. There was an entry, I didn't explain that, so I don't want to do that. I mean, I don't want to explain that things as well. I will take that later. Here I would love to mark this last fair value gap. What is that? This is the last fair value gap. Do I have any entry fair value gap? This is the entry fair value gap. See this one, or whatever. It should go through that fair value gap. Market should go through that fair value because this is the last fair value gap. It has the power to stop the price, send it back toward that sell side liquidity. It has that power. I want to see market will go through this fair value gap. That's all I want to see. And if it is the institutional order flow entry drill, I'll be very happy. That means if anyone missed this entry, they can take that type of entry. But now institutional order flow entry drill, my ICT didn't talk about that much, and I also didn't research about that institutional order flow entry drill. That's why I don't use them, and I don't get the precision of that of institutional order flow entry drill. That's why I don't use them. Okay. But if you know how to use that institutional order flow entry drill, that should be the institutional order flow entry drill. That's parallel. Okay. I don't know. It is going on. Congrats, bro. Boom. Thank you, Shahid Ali. Everyone, thanks for congratulating me. Look, SMTES. Fritura, are you new here, brother? Fritura. Ben Cruz, what do you think about bearish SMT with ES, NQ1 mid CB inversion and short-term retracement? I got that retracement here. See this retracement? I got that already. All I need, this pebble gap should be traded. That's my expectation. Now don't troll me again, please. That's my request. Don't troll me, okay? uh, oh man, what happened? Yeah, this is just a random reversal. I want to see that market is going to correct this reversal, random reversal. Now it should correct it. How can it correct it? Market has to reach to that pebble gap. If market can reach to that pebble gap, it will be corrected. Then market will be allowed to fall. How long it want to fall? It can fall, no problem with that. First it has to reach at least until that high. Why I'm giving it so much priority? Because when market came here and fall here until here, see, this is just a fall reversal. That's why I'm giving the priority to that high, and I'm keep telling you this is random. But if it would come here, maybe, okay, just it came here, then it worked here, something like that, it didn't fall, I wouldn't give a shit to that high, because that was just a reaction. That reaction can happen depending on so many things: breaker block, mediation block, rejection block, maybe some kind of parabolic gap, maybe some kind of anything, order block, mean threshold, anything. But this reversal, never possible without the parabolic gap. Reversal never possible without the parabolic gap. So I don't believe in that shit. I want to see that market will correct that thing and it will go over there. That's my expectation. That doesn't mean I'm telling you to take buy. I am just telling you, if you are looking for sell, you can see this very clean sell liquidity. And if you get any setup for the sell and you are thinking that market is going to take that sell liquidity, please go for that. I'm just not going for that sell. Even if market go lower, I'm not interested. I'm only interested to take buy. Okay, I hope it's clear, brother. 10 11 and 10 13 candle was your setups. 10 11 10 13, let me check. 10 11 10 13. Yeah, that was my setup. I mean, not exactly that, but yeah, that was my setup. This was my setup. But how did you get that RQ16? And you told that 10 11. Okay, yeah, so something like that. Just one candle you missed. So 10 10 and 10 12 candle has made that parallel gap to 10 11 candle. That was my setup. Until that last parallel gap. So still, even if I would take that entry, my target didn't hit yet. So it would be okay if it can hit that parallel gap at least. Then it will be perfect. Yeah, that's the inversion parallel gap. Absolutely, Peter. Yes, I read your mind. Yeah, that's the that's the inversion parallel gap. That low failed to take the lowest low or even the immediate low. It failed to take those, and this is the first parallel gap which happened inside this big consolidation. So it should react when market overlap that inversion parallel gap, come back again to that inversion parallel gap, boom. That is the inversion parallel gap, and I was looking for that. I mean, I saw that, but yeah, as I told, I'm waiting for the perfect setup. I will wait for that. I told you once, I will look all your skills on day. I will took okay all your skills on day. I will love to see that. If all of you guys can take everything from me, trust me, I will be the happiest person in this world. I will be able to leave this chart from tomorrow. If you can take it from me today, I'll be happy to take it tomorrow. But you have to be brave. You have to be very brave. You have to take your decision when market is very near to that sell side liquidity. You have to take your decision that no, market is going higher. You have to tell that in loud. You have to tell everyone that no, you are wrong. Market is going over there. You have to tell that. You will just wait for the setup, and if you get it, you will take it. Otherwise, you will just let. Now, when I told market I'm expecting higher run, if market would go lower and take that sell side liquidity, am I going to lose anything? No. I didn't take any buy because there was no setup, the perfect setup. So I didn't lose anything. Let me check this. Okay, so from 15-minute chart, very sloppy price action. Is it going to take that sell liquidity? It can be. I'm just not interested. But yeah, mm, this swing low. Let's see. Let me mark it. Let me actually check how many handle is over there. We get a small handle, sell over. We get a small handle. Okay, it's kind of 7 handle something. So far, it can make that fair value gap not. Just let it go. It's near about 5 to 6 handle, so I'm gonna catch this sell now because though it's not a perfect market, I'll just let it go. But I'm thinking like that way. If it can make a fair value gap around that area, just around that area, I would love to take a sell and I will just cover 50% of that fair value gap until this fair value gap. I'll just let it go. Okay, I'm not interested to take that one. So something here. I'm already in the market and my stop loss will cover the 50%. I'm not interested because that's against my expectation. So I'm not gonna push that on. And this swing low is not. Yeah, if I force it, should I go it? Should I go for that? 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 No, I just let it go. I'll let it go. We have to close below 50% of that consolidation to go lower. Okay. Can be. I'll just let it go. Okay. Let's see. Was it a good decision or was it a bad decision? I'll just let it go. It's not. Yeah, that's not a valid MSS. That's why I let it go. This not is a valid MSS. That is the why I didn't push my button. Otherwise, I would push my button. That's for sure. Okay, sorry, it will be. Yeah. Covered the consequent encroachment. Did I cover it? Okay, just not around here. I just covered the consequent encroachment of that fair value. So let's see if it was a good decision or was it a bad decision. If it was a bad decision, I'll be very happy. If it was a good decision, then I will take this as a note for later use. Okay, I will keep it in my mind. Stop loss won't be good as we want, but you can see it's near about 1300 only. Yeah, not bad, not so bad. Good, but yeah, but the MSS is not valid. That's the thing. That's why I didn't get that much confident to take that sell. I was just looking for this fair value gap. Even if market wants to go lower, it should not break this fair value gap. Market should not go above that fair value gap. If it really would love to go lower, you will see it will never go above that fair value gap. This is the first fair value gap things. This parallel gap is called the first parallel gap. So if really market would love to go lower and take that sell side liquidity, it will never break this first parallel gap. Let's see if it can take it or not. I'm just coming back, brother. In the same time, you please keep it. I just did my iftar and come to live streaming. A whole day I was just fasting, so I need to drink some water and I'm just coming back. 2 minutes. Just let it go, okay? Okay, welcome back. Thank you. So I think it was a bad idea not to push the button. So far I can see that, but still I'm happy. Is Leonardo Pereira is here? Leonardo Pereira. I'm sorry if I just mispronounced your name. I don't know you are here or not. Okay, I'll just write down your name. Leonardo, Ereirara. So yeah, are you here, brother? If you are here, please let me know. Okay, if you are here, Leonardo Pereira. Oh, okay, Miguel. So okay, so you are the same guy. Okay, thank you. Brother, the thing is, I don't need the paper help for Portuguese because I have been living in Portugal from since 2019. Okay, so I'm in Bangladesh right now because I came here because of my own problem. But every 6 months I go to Portugal and maybe I stay there for 1 month or 2 months, then I come back to Bangladesh. This time I have to stay here, stay over there for long because my passport time is very near, so I have to apply for the passport. That's why I told. I just need the accommodation, brother. I mean, the problem over there. So if you have any idea about the accommodation, that will be appreciated, and also the job. If it you have that option, it's perfectly okay. If you don't have, no worries. Okay, it's perfectly okay, no problem. As I didn't take it, I'll just tap it. You mark the nude opening gap every Sunday open. No, nude opening gap is every day opening gap. 5 p.m. close, 6 a.m. Sorry, 6 p.m. open. That's called the new day opening gap. Every Sunday open is the new week opening gap, which is here. That is that new week opening gap. NWOG, and NDOG is the new day opening gap. Okay. Will you still be on YouTube when you are back in Portugal, brother? Said it depends. Right now I'm in Bangladesh, so I'm spending my father's money. But in Portugal, I will work, okay? Because I don't spend my money from earning from trading. It's a personal issue. I don't want to talk about that because that's controversial. But yeah, I will try to look for a job, and if I get it, I will try to find it a night job, okay? So that I will work at night and I will do the live at day, something like that, okay? So that's my plan. But yeah, if life is hard, if if there is something wrong, maybe I won't be regular in life, but yeah, I will try. Okay, I will try my level best to come in life every single day. I will try to do that. It's all depends on the job because I didn't even spend a single cent from 2020 to 19th April. After my father's death, I didn't spend not even a single penny or cent earning from this trading, and I don't want to do that. Yeah, that's the thing, brother. I will do my best to help you. Thank you, Leonardo. So all I wanted to say is I don't need the papers help because I'm already a resident permit holder from Portugal. I'm currently holding 3 years resident permit card where I have already passed 1.5 year. Okay, so I have to wait for another 1.5 year for the passport. Sanjeev, just kidding. If you're interested, I could offer you job in Dubai to trade my account. Thanks, man. Thanks for that offer. Thank you, man. Going to Portugal to withdraw 6 month profit? No, brother. I'm not interested for that profit. Okay, I will move to Portugal. Come, Peter, come and earn. Before that, please earn that 200K. Just earn that, okay? I hope you will still be able to teach. Yes, teach us, brother. Let's see, inshallah. Yeah, let's see. Let's see what is happening. We'll see, inshallah. Amashlama, brother, what was your visa? I was in Denmark as a student, so I have finished my bachelor from Denmark Millsbrook institutions. Then I went to Portugal as a job visa. I applied for their, by following their rules and regulations. I got the resident permit card. Then I was actually irregular in Europe. I keep coming in Bangladesh, and most of the time I spend my time in Bangladesh. every 6 months I go to Portugal. I stay over there for 6 months as a I'm just holding the job visa, okay? That resident permit. I hope that Miguel will understand that. And if anyone here is from Portugal, they will understand. And yeah, that's all, brother. What was your field of study, brother? If you don't mind sharing it. I have done two bachelor. First bachelor I have done with computer science, and second bachelor I have done with business administrations, American business administrations. Now, if you ask me anything about the business administrations or the BBA, I will be unable to answer you because I didn't study that. I needed a visa to Europe. I had to leave my country because of, you know, it was all about the love. Okay. So finally, she actually left me. But I don't, it doesn't matter actually. So I left my country because of someone. I needed a visa. So I just applied for the business administrations and I passed my second bachelor by just copying others. Okay, I had so many friends over there from Nepal. They helped me pass the exam. I'm kind. I kind of did a lot of cheat over there. Oh man. Okay. I have 200K, bro. Just haven't made it from trading, but I will. It's going to be my sailboat money. Yeah, Peter. I need 200K earning from what to say trading, and you have to use. I mean, you have to confirm me that you got something very clear from my study, or sorry, from my channel, or for being with me. Then I will accept that. Yeah, I can visit your country with your money, by your money. Okay, so I want to visit your country by your money, not by my money. Yeah, I'm selfish. I'm doing all of this for that. Do you speak English in Portugal? I do speak in Portugal. I mean, I do speak in English because I don't know Portuguese that much. Just starter. I know like bon dia, bon night, then for this. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for that word. Something like that. Okay. Obrigado. I mean, porque little Portuguese. But yeah, are you using Proform? I'm using Top Step right now. I don't like it, but yeah, I'm doing it so that people can think that no, this is not paper money. This guy is actually showing us by his real money. That's why I'm using. Otherwise, I'm not interested to trade by my real account. Actually, that's the thing. Okay, and like one of you guys actually gave me that idea. Please, brother, do just trade through your real money. You will get more people. So that's the reason, brother. No, it's not possible, Antar. It's not possible to make your daily. It's not possible. You can't trade like that way. Some days will be good, some days will be bad. But the good days will be maximum. The bad days will be less. So if you count 5 days in a week, and if you want to earn some money from these 5 days, you have to trade at least 3 days, not 5 days. You can trade 3 days and you can be profitable more than you want from that 3 days. But if you think like, hola, hola, I am Amparo, শুধু ভাই দাদা বাংলাতে কিছু বলো। বাংলাতে কি বলবো রে ভাই? বাংলা তো আমাদের মাতৃভাষা। বাংলাতে বললে তো কেউ কিছু বুঝবে না। মানে শুধুমাত্র যারা বাঙালি আছে তারাই বুঝবে। বাট তা বাদে তো আর কেউ बुझবে ना। यस स्पीक हिंदी प्लीज। थोड़ा थोड़ा हिंदी मुझे भी आता है पर मेरा हिंदी उतना अच्छा नहीं है क्योंकि मैं बांग्लादेश से हूँ। तो बॉलीवुड और हिंदी मूवी तो देखना पड़ता है। मैं बहुत अच्छा मुझे बहुत अच्छा भी लगता है। थोड़ा बहुत हिंदी में बोल लेता हूँ बट उतना करेक्ट नहीं है। सो यू विल लाफ यू कीप स्पीकिंग इन हिंदी और उर्दू, यू विल लाफ एट मी। ICT says 6% a month is a good number. I don't need that 6%. I just need 2%. Just 2%. I will be able to earn 200k plus by just earning 2% from top step firm. If I can consistently earn 2% from my top step account, and I will do the copy trade, it will be 6%. How long it will take to make 200k if you trade to your 150k three account? Just count. Okay, how far it will take to make 200%? How many months will you need? 6% every month. So 1 year it will be 72%. 2 years, 3 years, maximum 3 years, and you will be a 200k plus if you can earn just 2%. If you are able to earn 6%, three account, 18% 1 month. How long it will take to make 200%? Count it. It's not impossible. City name, where do you live in Portugal? Yes, I was in Lisbon first, and then from Lisbon I went to Damaya, Amadora. I was in Amadora last time. Now I don't know where I will stay. Okay, I need to find out a room in Portugal. The problem is I can't ask help from Bengali people. The reason is I have to share the room. I already knocked some of my friends, but they told me that I have to share my room. Now I can't share my room. Okay, that's the problem. I can't share my room. I love to stay single in my room. That's why I actually asked help if anyone is here from Portugal, and if you can help me, either one. Okay, if you can help me through accommodation, I'll be really grateful to you. Or if you can find a job for me, I'll be really grateful to you. But obviously I will pay my bill, everything I will pay by myself. Even if I don't have the job, then I will take some money from my home, right? I will keep spending my money until I find out a job. That's all, brother. Bro, affiliated with any props, host any giveaway accounts? No, brother. ICT bullet. I'm sorry, brother. I'm not doing that. I will never do that. I'm not interested to give away some money to people. I don't do that, and I will never do that. My monthly target is 20 hours. Although that's huge, brother. If you really target that 20 hour, I mean 20 hour means 20%. If it is 20%, I don't have any idea what to say. I mean, but yeah, I'm not interested. Now look at this price action. When I will finish my stream, go back to my at the first, okay? Go back at the first 20 minutes. I explained this thing. This is the most possible thing that can happen before the FOMC morning. This is the most possible thing that can happen. So please watch that part and you will understand why market is doing that. Okay, I believe that you will get something from there. I have 6 now. So you have 6 Apex account. Oh man, that's cool. Shout out, brother. Okay, Damian Allen. That giving us the middle toxic bupa. That was a nice comment, brother. Yeah, this market is giving us the middle finger. I am not interested to participate in that area, and I believe that that was the best idea not to push the button. Actually, I didn't push my button because this swing low is not actually valid as a swing low for shifting market structure. Even if market went lower, I don't give a shit. The reason is this whole consolidation, I can't bear that. I want to see market will come here, boom. When it is not going to happen, this consolidation I could I was avoiding that. I'm not I didn't take the entry. I'm happy. I'm really happy because I didn't take my entry. Let me go to 15-minute chart. So from 15-minute chart, yeah, just a sloppy price action. No problem. Cool. Yeah, I'm sorry guys, but yeah, you are not seeing so many entries today. And yeah, so far I will say there was no entry. So far, I don't see any perfect entry until now, from the beginning of today's session until now. But brother, what happened? What do you say about that big run? There was no setup at all. What do you say about that big run? There was no setup. This one, no setup. Right now, here, no setup. Until now, there was no setup. It is really easy to explain the price after effect. That means after the price, it's really easy. And you can easily tell me I caught that run. If you did that, that means you did gamble. There was no if you are trading from 1 minute chart, then there was no setup at all. So yeah, I'm not agree with you. Just look at this 10. See this 10, we always expect some kind of expansion or volatility around 10. Look at this 11. See this 11, we always expect some kind of volatility around 11. Can you see this? Now you are seeing this. Just look at this. My request to all of you, whoever joined me after, after sometimes I have started, before, whoever joined me after 9:30, watch that first part from 9 to 9:30. I explained that, okay, in beforehand. So you have to be careful, please. R means reward came from risk to reward. Oh, okay, so you want 20 reward. That calculation I don't know, but yeah, maybe. Patience is the key, brother. No problem. Thank you, Shahid. Just waiting for the setup. All good. Thank you for understanding that. Navuson. Herman, 9:30 market open was a perfect setup, brother. Okay, I missed it then. I missed it, brother. Selim, but brother, what about the new week opening gap at 18302 from March 10? 18302. There is a new week opening gap as well? I didn't know that, brother. I'm sorry. You can see that I have no level here. Okay, so wait. What happened? Mm-hmm. Not 2.5. Could be 2. I don't know what happened. Let it go. Just let it go. In March. So, brother, I guess you are talking about here. Mm, okay, I'm not interested to mark that because this is very small new week opening gap. For me, the new week opening gap has to have at least 10 handle. At least 10 handle. The bigger is better. The bigger is better. But below that 10 handle new week opening gap, I'm not interested because this type of volume balance you will get everywhere. I mean, see this volume balance, it is also bigger than that volume balance. Maybe it is also a new day opening gap, something like that. But still, you will get some kind of volume balance like that here and there. So I'm not interested to mark that, brother. Mhm. Hi, brother. What's the symbol of micro dozen on trading view? YM. YMM2024 is the symbol for Dow. Micro, you have to write MYMM. Okay, see this one. Damian Allen. How many years since you've been trading? I'm trading very recently. I started trading very recently from last January 2024. I have started trading, brother. And I'm just getting fed up now because this is really a shitty price action. Very shitty price. Do you know anyone is doing live streaming today in YouTube like Tanja or maybe Kami Capital or maybe Peter, anyone except Top Step. Anyone is doing live streaming today at the morning session? Yes, well, hey brother, today market bamboo jumbo. Yeah, it's bamboo jumbo. Are you bearish? I'm bullish. Eddie, I'm bullish. How many years since? Okay, yeah, I'm bullish. Okay, and thanks to all for subscribing. Thanks to all for making it 4481. I need 19 more people to hit 4500. Let's see if we can hit that on. At least one I have to hit. Either 4500 or or 1838100. Any of this level has to be triggered. Any of that. So make it possible. Anyone. Just make it possible. What's wrong? What's your problem? Then why you are here? রেখে দাও নামাজ বাড়ি নিও না দিয়ে যাও আবার Sin methodical man was one. Okay, Jen. I don't know him, but did he take any trade today? Just let me know. Hydra is going to be live at 1. Yeah, I know a lot of people is going to live at PM session. I know that. But at the AM session, is there anyone? And if there is anyone, did he take any trade yet? If he takes anyone, is it profitable or is it losing trade? Let me know. Hydra is a legend. Hydra is obviously a legend. Hydra, then Arjo, Sansa, then uh, what is his name? What was his name? Jet Capital. They're the legend. They're the true result. Legend, sorry. Nobody else really trading this morning, brother. No trades this morning. I learned so fast. Stock bulls. I mean, you guys are asking me some question I'm unable to answer. Really, I'm unable to answer. And how can I learn it? I didn't learn it so fast, man. 1.5 year, every single day, studying 17 to 18 hours, every single F day. Okay, I did it. This this concept, man. So if you still say it's so fast, I have no answer, brother. Okay, maybe I'm not going to get any chance. I was thinking that I will take an entry over here. Let's see if we get any chance to take it or not. Joker Patrick will and will start live at 2 p.m. Okay. Arjo is best. Everyone is best, man. Every single one is best. Rahul, I mean, you are with me for so long now, right, brother? And you know that I don't use a 4 hour chart. So I will expect that you are not going to give me some level from the chart or from the area which I really don't like or I really don't go. I hope that, brother. I believe that you'll understand my concern. I really don't look at them. So yeah, even if I take a loss, I don't want to consider that 4 hour chart as my direction or analyzing my trade or anything. So 7 handle loss. If I hit it, I guess it will be 7 handle or something. Go through last Fabrica very fast. It will go through my sell stop very fast. I'm pretty much sure about that. And it's a very small stop loss, so I thought let's try this order block setup because market should expand higher now as it went higher, it came lower. First time it failed to take that sell side liquidity. Come lower again, failed to take sell side liquidity one more time. It tried 2 times to take that sell side liquidity, failed. That means it doesn't want to take that liquidity. Here, when market went higher, there was no market structure shift. Market went lower, trade this first parallel gap, make this order block. It should hold the price until that last parallel gap from 1 minute chart. That's my belief. So that's why I push my button to that order block, and I'm just watching this mean threshold. If this mean threshold can stop the price, if the body doesn't close below that mean threshold, I'm good to go. If it close below that mean threshold, I'll just close my trade manually. Okay, but here why I put it over here, because market can go below that mean threshold a little bit. It can go below that mean threshold. So I don't want to be stopped out beforehand. That's why I just put my stop loss below that order block. Yeah, that is the reason for taking this entry, and I will see if it can go higher or not. Last fair value gap is still holding the price. I see it, brother. I saw it. But all I want to see is market will go through this. I got the reaction. I was expecting the reaction, and I'm seeing that that will be just a reaction, not the reversal. If it is reversal, I'm absolutely wrong, and I will take the small loss. If it is not reversal, just a reaction, I'll be okay. With this setup, I'll be okay. I believe that. I saw that this is holding the price. All I didn't want is to miss that entry. That's all. Because I'm just sitting over here, so it is stop. And this sell stop is just 700. So 700 stop loss is, it's nearly nothing. That's why I took that one. Okay, body didn't close below that mean threshold yet, so I'm cool with that. Mm, 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 mm. Pause there, pause there, pause there, pause there. You should not go below that. Forward that rejection block. Should not go below that. Now, if it goes, I'm wrong. I will get a loss. So, all I want to see body close above that mean threshold. That's all I want to see. Nothing else. I'm happy with this run. You see this run? Just last fair value gap reaction. Can reach until that mean threshold. Nothing wrong with that. All I want to see, body should not close below that mean threshold. That's all. Now it should go above that high. That means body has to close above that high now. If I'm not chopped up like that here, if I don't face this thing over here, then it should expand higher with volatility above that swing high, and body has to close above that high now. It has stayed that mean threshold, came until the rejection block, rejected by rejection block and mean threshold. First job is it has to close above that order block. That is the first job. Second job, it can come back again above that, something like has to close here, then it can come back again to the order block. This is my next expectation. Now it doesn't need to do that this run, it doesn't need to do, but if it do that, that is more, you know uh kind of more confirmation that really market would love to go higher. Something like that. It closed above that order block, tap to this order block, or it started its journey below that order block. It's cool. Should expand higher now. So all I want to see here above that high. That should happen now. Wasn't that the last fair value gap in the previous swing high? Yeah, I told that. I saw this fair value gap. It was the reaction, not the rejection. I don't want to see the rejection from here. I want to see the reaction. I just catch that reaction. Came here, came back again to the order block. I got the reaction. I'm happy. This reaction can send the price until the mean threshold. Now, this week, I don't care. I can be stopped out by that week. Nothing wrong with that. All I wanted to see the reaction from this last fair value gap over here. Why I was looking for that reaction, not the rejection. As I explained, market came here one time, failed to take that sell side liquidity, went higher, came back again, tried one more time to take this obvious sell side liquidity, failed again. It went higher. Where did it go? Above this 50-minute uh, bear fair value gap. Above this 15-minute bear fair value gap, that means above that consequent encroachment. At the same time, I find out this very nice order block. All I want to see, market will now go and close above that high. Everything it has done. It came here and it came back again to the order block. Has to expand higher now above that high. That's all it has to do right now. At the same time, it will break this last parallel gap, because last parallel gap should not stop the price. It should break through this parallel gap. It should do that. Okay, that's all I am expecting. Membership will be appreciated. Yeah, there is the link for the membership. If anyone is interested, you can take that membership through that link. It will be appreciated. That's all. It's really so boring. After taking an entry, if you still if you're seeing that market is chopping, really so boring and so, but you can see my stop loss is small, so I'm not actually taking that much pressure because of that small stop loss. It should not reach until that mean threshold now. It should not go over there to that mean threshold, because it has done its job over here. Why it should go back again to the mean threshold? That's not good at all if it comes over here. This market is still struggling to break this last parabolic gap. That mean if it go back again to the mean threshold. If it go back again to the mean threshold, the best decision is close your trade. With a very small loss, close your trade. That's the best decision. But I have very small stop loss. That's why I'm not gonna do that. Either it will stop me out or it will go above and will hit my target profit. Anything will happen, I'll just let it go. Let's see the very next candle if it can go through that or not. I think the very next candle will go through that high candle. Seriously? Seriously? Respecting the constant encroachment of the last parabolic, not good at all. I'm looking for sell, brother. It's okay. Aryan January. Man, I told already, okay? If you are looking for sell and if you get your setup, please go for that. Don't think I'm right. I'm always wrong. I am never right, man. So please don't follow my thinking or anything. If you are thinking that you will go for the sell, please go for that. Okay? Just just be strict with your analysis. All I want to see a body close above that high. If body can close above that high, okay, it didn't close above that high. See, it didn't close. It's not good at all. So I'm gonna put my stop loss to the break even. Now I'm at the break even because it didn't close above that high. If it would close that high, that would be best. As it didn't close above that high, I am not interested to hold that risk. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna put it above. If I get stopped out here, I'm not going to lose anything, right? I'm not gonna lose anything. So I'm okay right now. By target profit with Rabib, guys, please don't copy my trade. Please, that's my request. Okay, don't copy my trade. I'm just doing this for educational purpose, nothing else. Now, if you guys start to copy my trade, I will be again feel the so much pressure. Please don't. Okay, it's your job where you will put your target profit, where you will close your trade. It's all your decision. I'm not gonna do that for you. Okay, please try to understand, man. Please. Nice to see you. Set break even stops. Thank you, Caesar. Actually, yeah, in this situation, I want to be very, what to say, very numbly, okay, something like that. All I want to see some kind of bigger run, boom, something like that. This last parabolic up has broken. It can tap to that last parabolic up, nothing wrong with that. It should not go below the constant encroachment of that last parabolic up. If you ask me what I really want to see, a body close above that 15-minute fair value gap. This is the first time market closed above the 15-minute fair value gap. That was the fake breakout. Whoever actually believed that breakout and take their buy here, they got punished here. If it can close above that 15-minute fair value gap, bearish fair value gap, what I am talking about here. Yeah, this is that 15-minute fair value gap over here. So this is the fake breakout. All I want to see again body close above that fair value gap. If another time body can close above that 50-minute fair value gap, I'll be confident that maybe market is going to hit my at least that last fair value gap. Then this buy side liquidity finally here. That's all my target. Okay, can come back again to this 1 minute last fair value gap as I told, but it can't go below the constant encroachment of that fair value gap. That's my expectation. This run, it can't go below that constant encroachment. If it go below that constant encroachment, it's not good. I mean, you know, the body close. Yeah, it's not good at all. So if I get stopped out, I'll be happy to the break even, because it should not be broken. When it is broken, that means it has lot of job left to do. I got stopped out. I got less stopped out to the break even and came here to, let's see, retest the order block or not. It has retested the order block. See this swing, this high here. Okay, it didn't tap over there, but I thought it came here to retest the order block. Whatever. Let's see if it can go higher or not. It should expand higher. You know, I miss when you took the trade just back to live stream. So why you didn't took the trade from the first fair value gap down? Is not valid, and why? If you are talking about here, there was no market structure shift. You can't take your entry depending on the market structure shift. No market structure shift is valid for taking this buy and fair value gap entry. So I didn't do anything over here. When I saw market go back again above this 15-minute fair value gap, bearish fair value gap again over here, closed above the constant encroachment of that 15-minute fair value gap, there is the order block. I took my entry to that order block. That high, I mean that last fair value gap low is my target. Why? I'm believing this is just a random level for reversing. It has been reversed from a random level. Just same thing over here. Don't troll me, okay? Just the same thing over here. It's not loading. Whatever. You know what I mean to say. I don't like this. I don't like this. The market has to reach over here to correct that random reversal. This is the reversal, not reaction. This is reverse. See, price come from here to here. Why it failed to take that sell liquidity? Because it was just from a random level. You can say this is the entry fair value gap, so it has traded that entry fair value gap. No, it didn't trade that entry fair value gap. It has broken the entry fair value gap. Body has closed above that entry fair value gap. If you just mark the entry fair value gap, you will see body close above that entry fair value gap, and that is not the fake breakout. That means one candle, next candle. No, one, two candle closed above that entry fair value gap. So this is the random level. Market has to correct that. So it has to reach at least to that fair value gap. That was the reason for taking that entry. And yeah, and then I got breakout at the break even. That's all, brother. Bro, I mean this two blue line 1036 candle. 1036 candle. Oh, okay. Here I was thinking that I will take a sell, but because this market structure shift was not valid, I didn't push my button. Because of this market structure shift was not valid, I didn't push my button. Okay, is it clear, brother? I hope it is clear. I would love to keep it, though I got stopped out to the break even, but I would love to see if it works or not. Actually, let's see if it works or not. What a what a volatility! What a volatility! That was nice. Was that a right decision or was that a wrong decision? I would love to see that. That one. So it retested the order block. Now it has retested the order block. It should expand higher without giving me any chance to take entry now. If it really would love to go higher, it should expand higher with dramatically. Let's see if it can do that. See, nobody closed above that 15-minute fair value gap. If one body could close above that 15-minute fair value gap, I would be very, very confident that, oh man, I got it. I got it. Ah, it is what it is. So it came back again to the mean threshold. Okay, broke the mean threshold. Let's see if it hits the target, I mean, stop loss or not. I would love to justify myself that was that a right decision to put my stop loss to the break even or not. Still I'm okay. It came to the rejection block. Go above the mean threshold. Still I'm okay. Oh my god, a lot of weeks to take my stops. 1 p.m. market will go down, I believe. Dear soul, I am bearish. Okay, I'm bearish for sure. For the FOMC, I told that okay beforehand that I'm bearish. But until FOMC, I want to see market will stay here. Market will stay here. It will keep that sell side liquidity open like that way. It should be open for the FOMC. That's my thinking, brother. I told that beforehand. Even just after starting my streaming, I told that at the first time. So far, this means this order block is holding the price, and I'm okay with that. So yeah, still now I'm really happy. Let's see, was that a perfect decision to put the stop loss to the break even, or was that a bad decision? But yeah, I get benefit by trailing my stop loss a lot of time. I want to say that I'm right. Okay, I don't want to see market will hit the target profit, but if it hits the target profit, I will say, oh man, why I did trail my stop loss? Okay, it's broken the mean threshold. I will see just this candle. If this candle can close above that mean threshold, then I will call that as a fake breakout. Otherwise, the mean threshold is broken. If even if I were in this trade, I would close my trade. If this candle failed to close above the mean threshold. Mark bullish 15-minute fair look up, brother. I didn't. Okay, so there is a bullish fair look up as well. How many fair look up do we have? Thank you again to you, brother. Okay. Okay, I'm seeing this as a fake breakout. Fake breakout. Okay, around the mean threshold. That was a fake breakout. I'm gonna remove it, but just below that candle is my, where was that? Here. Below that candle was my stop loss. It hit me. See that. Okay. It went. If it went one more tick, I'll be stopped out. I got a stopped out. So that was a perfect decision to put the stop loss to the break even. You. It's in the 50-minute fair value gap now. I'm gonna remove this one and that one. This one is broken as well. It tapped to this 50-minute fair value gap. Let's see if it go higher now or not. Very, very, very sloppy price action. Okay. 3-minute opening to sell side. No, I'm not interested to take sell. I believe that market is going higher. I'm not looking for sell, brother. Break around 5 minute. I don't go to 5 minute. What's 3-minute chart? I don't go to 3-minute chart. Thanks for confirming, Herman. Be looking for the same. We'll be looking for the same. What's that, Herman? Why taking an entry in an environment before FOMC being designed to take your money off you? I mean, I just take one entry, man, and I got break even. Okay, still I got break even. See, I didn't do anything. Look over here, nothing at all. I just took an entry over here and I got stopped out to the break even. That's all, brother. It has no chance to take my money. Still, my stop loss was just for 700. 700 just for NASDAQ 700. Is it really anything? I don't think so. For NASDAQ 700 is nothing. Still, I believe that market is coming here, at least to that fair value gap, to correct this random reversal. If it can go over there, I believe that you will believe my whole concept about this and this. So not this, this. Preserving capital is more important than the money, than earning money. Yeah, I agree. Simply with yes. No, brother, there's no more setup here. Okay, no setup at all. I had that setup, that order block setup. It didn't work. So yeah, I'm not looking for any more setup over here. I'm just watching the price and that area. Am I looking for sell? No. This is just look at this price action. No clean price action. Nothing clean here. So I just don't want to go for the sell side. If you are looking for sell side and if you see perfect setup, go for that. I'm just not interested. Oh, nice liquidity generation here at the lows on the AM session to take for FOMC real move. Thank you, Shahid, for confirming that. So yeah, I believe when market will fail to take that sell side liquidity, then people will start to believe, okay, this guy really knows something. That's why he was bullish. That's why he was bullish, even after seeing all of this run. Too fun, man. See that when I'm right for something. Okay, guys, thanks for joining to me and thanks for subscribing to my channel. So 4485, I need 15 more people to fill my target. 4500. Okay. If it can hit here, are you going to hit my hit the subscription button? If it can hit here before taking that sell side liquidity, are you going to make it 4500 or not? Let me know that. Just let me know. Look at this last fair value gap and entry fair value gap over here. Okay, so you don't need to do that because prices is still inside this 50-minute fair value gap. Yeah, nice liquidity generation here. Okay, okay, okay. Preserving capital is more important than earning money. A video. Are you going lower? No, I'm not going lower. I'm going higher. It has been traded that last fair value gap, though I don't need it because market is inside this 50-minute fair value gap. Still, it is inside this 50-minute fair value gap, so I don't need it. But for over confirmation, this is the last fair value gap from 1 minute chart. Just for over confirmation, I want the rejection, not the reaction. Reaction means this is reaction. Rejection means boom, something like that. I want to see that from here. 5 minute inversion fair value gap. Rabi, please stop that, brother. I don't go 5 minute chart. Okay, please don't refer me any time frame where I don't go. Please, please don't refer me 5 minute chart and 4 hour chart. I don't go over there. That's my request to all of you, brother. 15-minute fair value gap over here. This and that. This two can line is the 50-minute fair value gap, bullish fair value gap. Still, it is holding the price. Where did it came? 1 minute last fair value gap over here. It came here. It should now go toward that fair value gap. If I'm right, it should go over there. Am I looking for a setup? Are you really interested to take entry on this type of price action? At the PM session, you will get better price action. So why you want to put your money into risk over here? Then why did you take the entry? I got this order block, so I tried one time, but when it didn't work, I got stopped out to the break even. That's why simple. That's why we want to also try. Then go for that. Everything is in probability. If you want to blow your account before FOMC, congratulations. But if you have a very strong psychology, go for that. Go for that, man. If you are 100% sure that market is going for that sell side liquidity, go for that. If you think like me, market is coming here at least, go for that. Nothing is wrong for that. But as I told you, if market came here before taking that sell side liquidity, you are going to push your subscription button and you are going to make it 4500. See you later, brother. Yes, so tomorrow I'm extremely bullish. Tomorrow I'm also extremely bullish. I'm also extremely bullish. I will tell that after seeing the FOMC. After completing today's session, I will decide I'm bullish or bearish. But it all depends on the FOMC. I need to see the run from the FOMC. কাজ করি না পরে আরো 18 মিনিট পরে You are wrong, you are wrong. Market is going to take the sell side liquidity. Yeah, it tried one time here, it tried two times here. Now it is going to try third time, okay? But yeah, still it failed because I told him not to take that on. Still it's listening to me. So let's see how far it will listen to me. Last first parabolic eligible for buy side. Last first parabolic, there is no first parabolic, brother. I mean, I didn't see any first parabolic till now. If you see, you can tell me. I'll just mark it. Okay. Last first parabolic. That was, oh man, awesome. Last first parabolic, was that awesome? Yeah, that was awesome. Vrinder, man, I love your stream. I love ICT and I love GAN. Thank you, dear. Who is GAN? GANN. Who is he? Hey, Tito. Hey, Brinder. How are you, brother? Guys, hit like and share the link. Please hit the like and share the link. Please do that for me. Brinder, good morning and good evening, brother. Both of them at the same time. No trade at the morning session except this break even. I tried a buy from that order block. I got a stopped out to the break even. Market failed to give me what I was wanting. Right now, I told that market is coming here to that last parabolic gap to correct that random reversal. Market should come here. So far that's my expectation. Still now I'm not right, and I don't see any setup yet. It's a boring morning session. Your stream is so helpful for learning and you are very clear. It's so good for watching your reaction in difficult situation. Thank you, Aryan. Thank you, man. Okay, 16, bro. If you please pick another color for 1 minute travel gap, it makes things faster to catch the things to people who watch only your stream without open their chart from other screen. What did you say? Okay, I think you are talking about this here. Mhm. It has broken all the level, and yep, it came back again from new day opening gap. Now it's look like it's falling. Take that sell side liquidity. Let's see if it can take that sell side liquidity or not. If you ask me, ah, can't do that. Should expand higher. Why, brother? Why? Because market should left that sell side liquidity for FOMC. That's my expectation. Was there any setup? No, there is no setup. Is this swing high is valid for shifting market structure? No, this swing high is not valid for shifting market structure. Any other question you are thinking? I mean that 1137 candle. 1137 candle, 37. Okay, so you are talking about this one. This is not first fair gap, and this fair gap has no job to do. I explained my first fair gap in a very clear way. There is no swing high which you can mark. No swing high which has traded the fair value gap. Okay, so this is not the first fair value gap. I was thinking this will be the inversion fair value gap because this swing low has failed to take that swing low. I was thinking like that way, but I wasn't confident around that area, so I didn't push my button because this inversion fair value gap is not so confidential, or market didn't build any buy side liquidity here. So making the inversion fair value gap, it has to build some buy side liquidity. Remember here when I talk about this buy side liquidity, inversion fair value gap, I had this buy side liquidity. See, this high and that high, they were relatively equal highs. Market had that buy side liquidity when market actually made that inversion fair value gap. But over here, there was no buy side liquidity. So I wasn't confident. Okay, so everything is broken. I'm gonna close this one here. Now here is a part I would love to explain first. Remember what I told you here? This is the fake breakout. I want to see just a body close above that 15-minute fair value gap to confirm that this is not fake breakout. This is actually the breakout. See how beautifully Price told you the story. No, brother, that was really a fake breakout. Can you see the bodies around that area? You don't need to know that beforehand. But if you see this slowly but definitely, you will understand the story. What is going to do this bearish fair value gap? Market went higher one time. Maybe you will thinking that it's broken. Was it actually broken? It will confirm here. Is it fake breakout or is it really breaking out? Obviously fake breakout because I didn't, not even a single candle closed above that buy side, 15-minute fair value gap. So this is obviously a fake breakout. Okay. Okay, my bad. No problem. First fair value gap corrected. Okay, thank you, man. Yeah, thanks. No problem. R16. Are you learned from Arju? Stock bulls. I learned from ICT. I learned by myself. Okay. So if you ask me who is my teacher, I am my teacher. I'm the one who is the teacher of mine. Yeah, I get this concept from ICT. I get everything from ICT, but I learned it by myself. I never watched any other video in my life. I know why you are talking about this because you're thinking this guy is only talking about the first, fair value gap. If you just go to Arju's video, he's obviously good and the best and the legend. Okay, I am not comparing myself with him, but he never talked about the thing I talk about here. Okay, he never talked about that. So yeah, I hope that you get it, man. Such fair value corrected, no problem. Very massive price action. Here market is going to make another sell side liquidity. The way it has built this liquidity, sell side liquidity, market is just building another sell side liquidity over here. Why, man? Why it is doing that? What do you have today? I have FOMC. So what? You got your result. Answer. Why market is making such liquidity? In a longer period of time, let me remove it. Very distracted. Longer period of time, this is the target for FOMC. This sell side liquidity is the target for FOMC. The market is going to leave some sell side liquidity. When market will fall, it will keep taking those sell side liquidity until here. If market can reach here today, I'll be extremely bullish tomorrow. Extremely bullish. If market fail to take that sell side liquidity today and close here somewhere, maybe here somewhere, I will be extremely bearish today, sorry, tomorrow until price reach to that hourly fair value. When it will reach over there, I will be extremely bullish then. But at the same time, I'll be very careful about this entry fair value gap and the last fair value gap. I'll just look at that later. But yeah, is this swing high valid for shifting market structure? Absolutely not. But I want to take the buy. Your call, man. That's not my call. That's your call. If I keep it over there, and you will see, oh man, see it, how beautifully it's reacting. That fair value gap, but that fair value gap has no value. Struggling with prop firm challenges. It's very easy to pass the prop firm challenge. I mean, passing challenge is the easiest one. And this is the easiest one. The hardest one is to keep the money. When you will pass the challenge and you will get the real account, then the real struggle starts. Okay, because there is no limit, and when there is no limit, people actually forget everything. They do over leverage. They want to earn million of dollar by one day trading, and they blow their express account. 3 days now, changing bias, missing setups. We all love you. Take direction, brother. 3 days now, changing bias, missing setups. We all love you. Take direction, brother. Market has no direction, brother. Right now, market has no direction. No buy sell. I explained everything. Okay. So there is no buy sell liquidity. I have sell sell liquidity, but no buy sell liquidity. But yeah, still I am not changing my bias. I'm not changing my direction. I wasn't bear. I didn't tell one time that I'm interested to take sell. I just told market is going higher until the FOMC. I'm very much clear about my direction. I told that market is coming higher at least to this 50-minute fair value gap, finally this fair value gap before FOMC. If market can reach over there around FOMC, it will go lower toward that sell side liquidity. It will reach over there or not, I don't know. If it reach over there today, I'll be extremely bullish tomorrow. If it fail to reach over here, then tomorrow I will be extremely bearish until this liquidity is taken. So I think it's clear, okay? And even around this area, I wasn't bear even after seeing all of this clean liquidity. So who was with me from the beginning, all of them know that I wasn't looking for sell. I was looking for buy only. Okay? I wasn't looking for sell. Still now I didn't see any setup which can be valid for taking the buy. I was little confused about, I mean, here I was thinking, should I take that entry or not? But this swing low is not valid for shifting market structure. That's why I didn't push my button over there for sell. I didn't push my button. Here I pushed my button, I got stopped out to the break even. Now if you count that as a losing trade, I have nothing to tell. I mean, I'm really sorry for that. I have nothing to say. Okay, Gerald. We can't even stay with our direction clearly as it doing both side move and confuses us. Are we really right with our decision? We should be right with our decision. You have to understand the story. I am telling you the story from the London session. I told the whole story over here. I just can't show you that. Can I? Just let me check. Just let me check. Okay. What the? Come on, I just can't. Okay. Just go to my live streaming and watch that by yourself. I have shown that by this thing. Okay. What is going to happen? All of this thing, I just marked it before when market was over here. When market was over here, I marked exactly the same thing. So please watch that and you will understand, okay, what can happen at the morning session before FOMC. I did that, okay, beforehand. Okay, I have grave yeared of express funded accounts. And what do you recommend to keep our daily loss limit? One, the 50K combine account. For the 50K combine account, the maximum loss limit has to be $300. Has to be $300 maximum loss limit. So you will get 3 days chance. I mean, sorry, at least 6 7 days chance to pass that account. So you have to be very careful with your loss limit. That has to be 300 maximum in a day. That means 150 or 180 dollar by one entry. 9 to 10 handle will be your maximum stop loss. 9 10 handle maximum here, and you have to be very choosy. If you are very choosy, then you are not going to hit your stop loss every day, because if you are choosy, then that's the best way to trade this. Okay, I'm not interested to hold it. Okay, I am getting so many compliments about the trade. I don't want to hold it. Just let it go. It's okay. Little above and below the breaker block, that is called Mohawk. I would love to see that with the Mohawk. Here, okay. Thank you, brother. I just on I didn't hold it. Okay. Are you happy now? Happy? You still have the ups and downs, doubles. Okay. If you guys are happy, then I'm also happy. I just close my trade. Okay. I want to say this will be your mohawk. That means body close little. Sorry, wick went below the breaker block little bit. This should be the mohawk. Did you watch SPX? No, I don't watch SPX. Okay, guys, it's 12 already. I think the real drama will be around 2 p.m. So I will come back at 1:30, I guess. Okay, so I will be back at 1:30. So we will see this setup worked or not. We will see that later. But yeah, so far in the morning session, not bad. One break even. You will see this break even. At the London session, I took one buy, break even, small loss, then I just mitigate my loss. I didn't hold my trade, though I told you that market is going to take that buy sell liquidity. I just mitigate my loss. So here I am at zero, here I am at zero. So no loss until now, no profit until now. So I don't count small profit as my day, but yeah, here I just closed it because the guy who told that he doesn't think market is going high, so I don't want to make you confused. That's why I just close it. I don't want to hold it for so long. But we will see. Okay, this thing worked or not. Will when I'll be back, I will show. I will see is it working or not. But at the same time, if it hits at least that high, I will wait for your boom when I'll be back over here. Okay, brother, get some rest. Yeah, Brand. But yeah, I'm coming back. Okay, I'm coming back. Don't tell me that. Go back. Go from here. No man, I want to stay here around the FOMC. Okay. So see you guys. See you later. I'll be back. Thanks for joining.